Good morning, friends. Now we are going to see about the important questions there in She Stoops to Conquer. Another name for this play is Mistake of the Night. Now we get into the questions. Who recites the play's prologue? The prologue's play, this play was recited by Mr. Woodward. And then, what does Mr. Hardcastle disdain most of all? Mr. Hardcastle disdain most of all town manners. Why does Mrs. Hardcastle defend Tony? Mrs. Hardcastle defend Tony because she is his mother. Why does Mr. Hardcastle worry about Kate? Mr. Hardcastle worry about Kate because he worries that town manners have infected her. The town manners have infected her. How does Kate dress in the morning? Kate dress in the morning fashionably. How does Kate dress in the evening? Kate dress in the evening plainly. Who does Hardcastle hope Kate will marry at the beginning of the play? That is Hardcastle hope Kate will marry at the beginning of the play, Mr. Marlowe. And who does Mrs. Hardcastle hope Tony will marry? This Mrs. Hardcastle hope Tony will marry Constant Neville, his cousin. And which character is the best example of modernization? Moderation. Kate is the best example of moderation. Why it is? Kate who is dressing morning in a fashionable manner and then evening in the this moderate manner. And one more thing is she is stooping her level from the aristocracy women to the lower women in order to conquer the heart of our Marlowe. So Kate is the moderate woman. And what is Mrs. Hardcastle's great vice? She is the woman of vanity. That's why Mrs. Hardcastle just found out Neville is in love with some other man, and she want to transfer that girl to some other place. But Tony Lumpkin played, and he just flattened that is, he just broke the idea of Mrs. Hardcastle. Why is Constance existed to hear Marlowe is visiting? Hastings is with him. Why is Constance excited to hear Marlowe is visiting? Hastings is with him. Why is Constance Neville is happy? Why? Because this lover Hastings is also come with Marlowe. That's why she is happy. What is Constance's inheritance? Constance's inheritance is the jewels. Though her parents died, the property is with her. That is Mrs. Hardcastle. So she feels that the inheritance of jewel is safety for her. And where does Tony drink with his friends? The Tony drink in the ale house. The name is the Three Pigeons. Who does Tony not attack in his pub song? Drunkenness, drunkards. Here, what is the answer is drunkards. Now we take example of our COVID time. While at the time of everything is closed, that ale house, there is that bar is open. So many drunkards are saying we are saving the society by drinking. So this kind of false aim is happened there at the time of Tony's time too. He is praising or he is degrading everyone, and he is praising drunkard people. Who is Tony ally is fooling Marlowe and Hastings. The ally of Tony, while that is fooling Hastings and Marlowe, is the landlord. Why is Tony's practical joke believable? Why? Because the Hardcastle home looks like an inn. It is very old, so it looks like an inn. What warning does Hardcastle give his servants? Not to laugh at his stories. Why? Because he is often telling his own stories by giving his price of his valor. So he just warned his servants not to laugh at his stories. And next one, what is the name of the head servant? The name of the head servant is Grigory. And which character has a complementary relationship with his and her mother? Here Tony Lumpkin never listened to his mother at all. And what happens when Marlowe speaks to the modest women? They terrify him because while he is talking with aristocracy women, he is very much shy. But once he is going with these moderate women, he is very much flirt to them. Why must Hastings hide his identity? He wants to elope with the Constantine, that is Neville. What do Hastings and Marlowe want for? They want a calf's brain. And which is the following is not example of Marlowe's vanity. He's worry about education. And what does Hardcastle expect to find in Marlowe? Modesty. And last question, who discovers Tony's life first? Hastings is the one who discovers Tony's life first. Okay friends, see you in the next video. Bye.